Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I have job leads in this video that are like data entry, verification of information, processing orders, things like that. Some jobs pay like $17 an hour. Some even go up to like $34 an hour. So, of course, we're going to dive all in to all of them. I always just ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads, you can let me know by leaving something in the comments, giving this video a thumbs up like button. And, of course, if you know anybody who could benefit from these, please share with them so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. The year of 2024, I hope everyone finds their dream work from home job. But first up, we have the company Pi Insurance. Now, Pi Insurance has 109 reviews from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a premium audit specialist. This is remote for the United States. All of these are going to be remote for the United States only. But a premium audit specialist works directly with Pi Insurance's customers and partners to review and process vendor audits and resolve any audit disputes. This means you're going to use all of their appropriate systems and validation tools to quality audit results, making sure that the policy premium is still right for the policyholder's business. So the premium is the amount that they have to pay for their insurance policy. You're going to evaluate their business, making sure that they're still on the right plan and paying the right premium. You'll give any technical support as needed as well, doing things like payroll calculation, internal audit procedures, manual rules for both internal and external stakeholders, just clearly communicating all of those final audit results to the customers and partners. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED, and 3 years of professional work experience is required. While they do prefer somebody who has like workers' comp experience, it's not required as long as you have great written and verbal communication skills, somebody who can build strong relationships with others, you can multitask and work with speed, accuracy, and efficiency. Now, this one does pay anywhere from $26 to $34 an hour and does include a complete benefit package for health insurance, paid time off, 401k. Now, I do have multiple data entry type jobs in this video, but this next one is one of them. No.B4 is the company. They have 1,200 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars. They're looking for an order processor, administrative assistant / data entry. So you're going to be doing some data entry, but a little bit of other things as well. So basically, they're looking for somebody to review invoices for accuracy and quality, processing every purchase order and quote on a daily basis. You'll be doing a lot of data entry with this position. You're going to have to do things like identifying invoicing, special subscription invoicing terms, payments and acceptance terms. You're going to help create and provide customers with access to the No.B4 console. So you'll do quality checking of invoices, uploading tax certificates, responding to all emails from customers related to billing and different correspondence, and you'll just move clients from their bulk console and help get things uploaded into the system. So this is going to be a non-phone position where you're just entering information, answering emails, and then entering all the forms or uploading the forms. They only require a high school diploma or GED and somebody who has experience with Gmail, Google Docs, or Microsoft Office, Word, and Excel. Someone who has great communication skills, great time management, and organizational skills, and this one pays $17.50 an hour. Now, this next one has to do with verifying employment information. The company is Mitratech. They have 324 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. And they are looking for a verification specialist to work remote within the United States. Now, this one will require you to be on the phone some. They'll be responsible for doing telephone, video calls, email, fax, all the different communication channels for employers, schools, state boards, and online databases, verifying current and previous employment education information, as well as professional licenses and certificates. So you're going to process employment verifications using all these different methods, providing professional service to third-party verifiers and applicants, just handling all personal identifying information in a very confidential way. So you'll have to pick up the phone and make outbound phone calls, gathering information, confirming confirming information, just collecting all this data and analyzing it, and then making sure that gets into the system. While they prefer a bachelor degree, they're only requiring a high school diploma or GED, somebody who has great computer skills, such as being able to do internet searches, a database lookup. You've got to have great time management skills, great organizational skills, and be highly motivated. Now, unfortunately, this one did not list pay. That'll need to be discussed at the time of the interview. Moving right along, I have another data entry type position for you. The company is Activus Connect. They have 302 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 2.9 out of 5 stars. They're looking for a remote data entry application processing specialist. So they're basically looking for somebody to process applications, making sure all the information is entered correctly and efficiently into the system. You'll review and proofread the information you entered, making sure there's no errors or inconsistencies, just maintaining confidentiality with all the information that you come across. You will have to attend meetings and training sessions as needed, but this is basically just processing information, data entry. While they don't require a college degree, just a high school diploma or GED, you do have to have a typing speed of 60 to 90 words per minute and have previous experience in data entry or some kind of similar role like an administrative role, strong attention to detail, and great communication skills. Again, unfortunately, they did not list pay with this position. That'll need to be discussed at the time of the interview. And last but not least, we have the company Numotion. They have 413 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 3.2 out of 5 stars. They're still hiring for an order entry coordinator. I know I've shared this position with Numotion before, but they are still looking for another order entry coordinator to serve as the liaison between their technology professionals and DME manufacturers. So you're going to interface with vendor representatives, working with them to make sure orders are up to specifications. You'll proof work and perform quality control review of any vendor quotes for submission, making sure all revenue is validated, and verify all product items that are properly counted, included part numbers match, things like that. You'll just make sure all the information is correct in the system and matching. So you'll work independently to meet individual goals, and then you'll have to also meet weekly departmental productivity goals. So you're going to have to do so much every single week. They only require a high school diploma or GED. While they do prefer 2 years of DME experience, there's not required as long as you can work in a fast-paced environment and have 3 years of some kind of office environment administrative type work experience. You do have to have a track record of being consistent and great with your attendance. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep my eye out when I am searching for job leads to share. Don't forget, if you enjoyed any of these job leads, you can let me know directly by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, and share with all your friends and family. I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.